Welcome. Now you're going to face test 4 part 1. Good luck. One. What, blank, you, blank, at the weekend? A. Does. B. Do, does. C. Does, do. D. Do. 2. What, blank, Dick and Tom like, blank? A. Do, doing. B. Doing. C. Do. D. Does, doing. Three. Do boys like, blank, jeans? A. Wear. B. Wearing. C. To wear. D. Worn. Four. My classmates, blank, on picnic every month. A. Went. B. Goes. C. Going. D. Go. Five. Mary, blank, face every morning. A. Washes his. B. Wash my. C. Washes her. D. Washes their. Six. I, blank, a cigarette, but my teacher, blank, smoke. A. Don't, smokes. B. Smoke, doesn't. C. Smokes, smokes. D. Smoke, don't. Seven. They, blank, wash, blank, car every day. A. Don't, my. B. Don't, his. C. Don't, their. D. Don't, our. Eight. My parents, blank, eat meat. A. Don't. B. Aren't. C. Doesn't. D. Are. Nine. Summer holidays, blank, in June. A. Begins. B. Begin. C. Beginning. D. Began. 10. We, blank, tennis on Monday evenings, but my little sister, blank, on Sundays. A. Play, play. B. Plays, plays. C. Play, plays. D. Plays, play. May your English improve. See you soon.